Continuing with the second chapter today, we shall see the next indicator to measure a country's economic development. This is the Human Development Index developed after PQLI. Human Development Index, it is a summary composite statistic index that measures a country's average achievements in three basic aspects of a human development: health, knowledge, and a decent standard of living, which are used to rank countries into four tiers of human development. Please refer to page 23, 24, 25, 26 of your textbook. The most recent indicator of economic development is the Human Development Index. United Nations Development Programme presented the Human Development Report in 1990, in which the Human Development Index was presented as an indicator of economic development. In HDI, along with economic aspects, more emphasis is given to non-economic aspects. In the year 2010, improvements were introduced in various minimum and maximum values which were used to measure Human Development Index since 1990. Indian economists too contributed in evolving HDI on the basis of evaluation made regarding the development efforts in different countries. Improvements were introduced in the year 2010 in the minimum and maximum values which were used to measure HDI since 1990. Let us see the determinants of Human Development Index. Three factors alone are considered while preparing Human Development Index to make it simple and easy. Instead of absolute values, average of all the three values are prepared. Life expectancy, educational achievements, knowledge data depicts social achievements, income data depicts the standard of living, which in turn shows the economic achievements. Now, let us see each of them in detail. Life expectancy. Number of years a child is expected to live on an average at the time of birth is known as life expectancy at birth. The expected number of years of life at birth of the population of the country determines the value of the component. Higher life expectancy of life indicates better situation. Life expectancy less than 50 years indicates poor health and inadequate medical facilities. Knowledge. To know the quantum of knowledge, adult literacy in percent is calculated. People in the age group 15 years and above are included. Two aspects are included in this: number of years of schooling, expected number of years of schooling. The gap between expected and actual number of years of schooling is taken to derive the values. Good standard of living. Standard of living refers to the availability of pure drinking water, medical services, good sanitation, infant mortality rate, percentage of undernourished and malnourished children, per capita calorie availability per day, mortality rate of infants below 5 years of age, protein and fat availability, etc. are considered, which depends on income. Income index is that in which per capita gross national income is measured on the basis of purchasing power parity. This is measured on the basis of purchasing power parity. Important aspects. The important aspects of Human Development Index are: the maximum value of Human Development Index is 1, which is based on the three standards. The value of Human Development Index ranges from 0 to 1. The country whose human development data is closer to 1 is considered more developed. It gets higher ranking in HDI. That country whose human development index is farther from 1 is considered less developed. It gets lower ranking in HDI. According to 2014, Norway ranked number 1 with 0.99944, while India with 0.609 points ranked 130 out of 188 countries. Human Development Index for some countries of the world, Human Development Report 2015. The Human Development Report of 2014, which was published in 2015, shows the extent of human development of some countries in the following table. The table is mentioned in page number 25 of your textbook. GNI, gross national income, LEB is life expectancy at birth. According to the Human Development Index of 2015, which has included 188 countries, classified countries into 4 on the basis of human development. 1. Countries having highest or the maximum human development, the average value of human development of first to 49 countries is 0.890. Second, countries having high human development average value of human development of countries with 50 to 105 ranks is 0.735. Third, countries with moderate human development average value of human development index of countries with 106 to 143 ranks is 0.614. Fourth, countries having low human development average value of HDI of countries with 144 to 188 is 0.493. Now, let us see the conclusions. In 2014, Norway is number 1 with 0.944 in human development. India with 0.609 is 130 in the list of 188 countries. India comes in moderate human development countries in the classification of Human Development Index. Niger in the continent of Africa with 0.348 comes last in the order of Human Development Index of 2015. Let us see the importance of Human Development Index. I have depicted many points of the importance of Human Development Index. You can refer it if you want extra points. First, Human Development Index is complete as it not only takes economic factors but also includes social welfare by giving importance to education and health. Second, HDI indicates the policy makers that economic development is only a tool but the ultimate objective is only human welfare. Third, true progress is equal to economic progress plus social progress. HDI is functional. A rise in the Human Development Index ranking indicates that the health and education have improved in the country. Developing countries get an idea as to where there is scope for development and in which direction should the government work by looking into the HDI. HDI is progressive in its approach. The last topic in the Human Development Index is the limitations. Only 3 social indicators are included in Human Development Index, which is less. Other social indicators should have been included. All 3 indicators are given equal weightage, but in reality, in different situations, different indicators become important. Human Development Index is not an absolute expression. It only shows the relative progress as it compares one country with the other. Other than Human Development Index, we also have the Gender Development Index called the GDI, Human Poverty Index called HPI, Technological Achievement Index TAI, and Human Consumer Index HCI, and other such indicators are also used. We come to the end of the second indicator of economic development, that is Human Development Index. Please go through page number 23, 24, 25 and 26 along with the table of your textbook. We shall do the other indicators in the next class. Until then, thank you.